Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming both earbuds are paired and recognized by Android. Open Settings, then Connected Devices or Bluetooth. This is where Android lists each side. Once done, tap the device name to see options and make sure the audio profile supports mono or channel swap. You do this because Android routing depends on the audio profile and device firmware. From here, keep the device screen active and have the earbuds in your ears so you can immediately test changes as you make them. Now you'll modify routing. Go to Accessibility and find Audio Balance or Enable Mono Audio. This forces both ears to receive combined channels. If you need left/right swap specifically, check the Earbuds app. Manufacturers often include channel mapping or a swap toggle. Once in the app, locate Advanced Audio or Channel Settings and choose Swap left/right. If developer options are needed, enable them by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. Then check Bluetooth AVIC or Audio Debug. Finish by testing with a stereo track that has clear left and right cues. Play and confirm the channels are swapped. If swapping didn't take effect, unpair and repair the earbuds, and try the manufacturer's reset sequence to restore firmware defaults. Often a firmware refresh fixes routing bugs. If problems persist, boot the phone into safe mode or try another Android device to determine whether it's the earbuds or your phone settings. One key troubleshooting tip: a factory reset of the earbuds resolves persistent channel mapping conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.